Rational and irrational numbers. Look at these two girls, Sheetal and Soumya. Sheetal has 10 pens, while Soumya has 15 pens. Who has more pens? Soumya. But how can we get the answer? Simple. Compare the number of pens that they had imagined. What will happen if there is no number? Simple questions would be practically unanswerable. Number is of huge importance in our daily life. Real numbers include rational and irrational number. Let us first look at rational number. For example, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 7, 5 by 3, 2 by 1 or 2. These are all rational numbers. That is, the number is of the form P by Q, where P is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1 are integers, and Q is not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Now we take two rational numbers, 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. How many rational numbers are between these two? Think about it. You will find out infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Let's check it. Example. Is 7 minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 a rational number? Solution. We have 7 minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is equal to 7 minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is equal to 7. We can write it as 7 by 1. Thus the number 7 minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Similarly, square root of 49 by 81 is equal to 7 by 9 is of the form P by Q, where P is equal to 7 and Q is equal to 9 are integers, and Q is not equal to 0. Hence, square root of 49 by 81 is a rational number. Example. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Solution. To find a rational number between R and S, you can add R and S and divide the sum by 2. That is, R plus S divided by 2. So here R is equal to 2 and S is equal to 3. Therefore, 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is a number between 2 and 3. Similarly, we can find other rational numbers between 2 and 3. Hence, 4 more rational numbers between 2 and 3 are 9 by 4, 11 by 4, 23 by 8, and 21 by 8. In general, there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now look at the irrational number. For example, root 2, pi, root 7, or root 15. They are irrational numbers. That means the number which cannot be written as the form of P by Q, where P is equal to 0 and Q is equal to 1 are integers, and Q is not equal to 0, is called irrational number. Look at the example. Pi or 3.02145789321 and so on is irrational number, and root 4 is equal to 2 or minus 2. So it is rational number, or root 4 is not irrational number. All perfect roots are rational numbers. Pi is irrational number, but if we write pi is equal to 22 by 7 approximately, it is rational number. But actually pi is an irrational number. Now 0.121, 221, 222, 12 and so on is irrational number, as we see that the number of 2's between the ones keeps on increasing by 1. The irrational numbers are the part of a set which has decimal numbers that neither terminate nor repeat themselves. Look at the given examples of irrational number. The given numbers cannot be written as p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Let us consider an example. The decimal expansion of this number is non-terminating and repetitive. Repetition of 896. Hence this is a rational number. It looks like a non-terminating and repeative decimal number. However, it is a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal number, as the first 6 digits after the decimal are 193, 193, repetition of 193. But the next digits are 1934. Hence altogether no number is repeating itself. Hence it is an irrational number.